Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Gadgets Insider. We are coming up with another great video for the best wireless chargers for 2024, top 5 available on Amazon. Number 1. Anker 313 Wireless Charger. Introducing the Anker 313 Wireless Charger, PAD. Enjoy the Anker advantage with Qi-certified 10 watts max charging for iPhone 14, 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max, 13, 13 Pro Max, and AirPods. Simply place your devices on the PowerWave pad for hassle-free charging. Compatible with Samsung Galaxy, 10 watts, iPhone, 7.5 watts, and other phone is earbuds, 5 watts. Charges through cases up to 5 mm thick. Include as micro USB cable and 18-month warranty. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. INIU Wireless Charger. Introducing the INIU Wireless Charger, Qi-certified 15 watts fast charging, sleep-friendly light, 4 modes, and NTC temperature guard. The charger offers 4 charging modes, including fast charging for LG and Samsung Galaxy devices, as well as standard charging for other devices. Dual coils for wider area. Includes charger, cable, warranty, support. Experience convenient and efficient charging with the INIU Wireless Charger. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. Mophi 3-in-1 Wireless Charging Station. Introducing the Mophi Wireless 3-in-1 Travel Magnetic Charging Station, compatible with Apple iPhones, Google, Samsung devices, and AirPods. It features built-in magnets for MagSafe compatibility, delivering up to 7.5 watts for iOS and 15 watts for Android devices. With USB-C and USB-A ports, you can charge 2 additional devices at up to 10 watts. Compact, foldable design, and sustainable construction using 30% post-consumer recycled plastic. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. Belkin Wireless Charger. Introducing the Belkin Wireless Charger, a Qi-certified 10 watts fast charging pad. It works through protective cases up to 3 mm thick. The sleek minimalist design complements your desk while saving space. An LED light confirms proper alignment and optimal charging. It offers universal Qi compatibility, supporting Apple and Samsung devices. Compatible with iPhone, AirPods, Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, and more. Includes a 2-year warranty for peace of mind. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. JARGOU Wireless Charging Station. Introducing the JARGOU 3-in-1 charging station for Apple. Charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods simultaneously. It features a portable, space-saving design, equipped with an 18 watts fast charger adapter for efficient charging. Includes safety features and an anti-slip base, sleep-friendly indicator lights. Package includes the charging station, Type-C power cable, 18 watts adapter, and user manual. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. We are done for today. See you again next time. Thank you.